but the IMC will continue to search for us. Our only chance of survival is to rendezvous with Major Anderson, 60 clicks from our current location. We will have to improvise and adapt if we wish to survive.
This is Wallbound 3-2. We're taking heavy casualties down here. Any militia forces, please assist. We've suffered heavy losses.
Class Titan.
That BG? Good to see you, Captain. We could use some help.
Militia Titan spotted. Chassis number BT-7274. Moving in.
Enemy Titan down. First floor ready. Push your Titan down. Detecting hull damage. Warning, our reactor is unstable. Replacement battery required. First floor ready. First floor activated. Enemy Titan down. Excessive damage. Warning. Warning.
Sorry, but this is your dead end, pilot. So you think you know how to be a pilot, do you?
This Titan weapon is an advanced design and may give us a tactical advantage.
Great. A new Titan weapon will be useful.
Agreed. The IMC is well equipped with advanced Titan weaponry. They will be most beneficial to our success. Pilot, with the tone loadout, we can lock onto enemies and target them with tracking rockets. This will be useful in direct combat. Salvo core ready. facility is blocked by a flow regulation gate. There should be a control interface nearby.
Hey, we have an enemy Titan south of all range, requesting support.
Hazardous waste may cause severe injury or death. The wearing of a hazmat suit is required at all times within this facility.
Right here! Anyone advise to the pilot? Go over here! Stay alert! Straight ahead, I need backup! Got a visual, it's a pilot! I lost it, sideline, track it! What in the front? Frag incoming! Roger, I'm with ya! I got a visual, over here! Get after us! Get out of sight!
Hazardous waste pumps now filtering. Automated testing facility. Dome 1.
Spotted! Switch! Rain close! Get to cover! He's on to me! Anyone, backup! I need backup!
Pilot, our path through this facility is blocked by a flow regulation gate. There should be a control interface nearby.
Maintenance override engaged. Opening flow regulation gate. Warning. Toxic fumes dispersing in main chamber. Activating control room safety airlock procedures.
Pilot, the safety airlock has sealed you in the control room. You must find another way out. We have no choice but to split up.
Got it. I'll find a way out.
A nearby exit will most likely lead further into the reclamation facility. Pilot, I am tracking your location. Recommend you seek an exit.
Do I have backup?
Tracking me. It's kinda creepy, BT.
I have no wish to incite fear. That is reserved for our enemies.
Listen up. This is Kane. What we have here, my IMC and militia friends, is a failure to communicate. And that's okay. That's okay. That's all good.
Who was that?
Accessing files. Kane. A mercenary, commonly affiliated with the Apex Predators. A well-known narcotics user and supplier.
Hey, what's up with Kane? That bloke's gotta be hooked up on something.
Let's just stay away from him. He's bloody ugly.
Roger. That twitchy Merc doesn't care who he kills.
Just so you know, this is Kane's place. You're welcome to stay as long as it takes to kill you. Which, by the way, will not be long.
This is Raccoon 3, 9th Militia Fleet. We're held up in the reclamation facility. The IMCF's new mechanized infantry. We're trapped.
Pilot, I'm detecting friendly militia forces along your path. They may need assistance.
Pilot! Captain, we got a friendly militia pilot! Hold your fire, he's SRS. Look at his helmet.
Good to see a friendly pilot, sir. Our squad is taking a beating. They can use some help up ahead.
Junction 3A, requesting immediate removal.
walking for days.
Do you require rest?
Yes.
Your vitals appear to be stable. We must uphold the mission.
Hazardous waste pumps now filtering automated testing facility, Dome 2.
He's here!
There's some Vanguard-class Titan and an SRS pilot taking out my IMC support. Whoever you are. Not bad. Not bad at all, friend. I just hope you're better than the last one I killed.
Eyes on! Do we have a visual? A visual? Negative, no one!
Exterior drainage pumps switched to primary systems. Automated testing facility, Dome 3.
Pilot, exercise caution.
We can say that again.
Pilot, exercise caution. Will intersect just up ahead.
Great. Sounds good.
Scans indicate multiple IMC security forces. Prepare yourself, pilot.
Long time no see, BT.
On the contrary, your helmet provided me with a live feed of your actions. You fought well out there, pilot. The controls to deactivate the sludge flow are in the next chamber, marking your HUD.